Welcome to today's video. In today's video we're going to look at Quora and how to make $100 a day with Quora and Clickbank in 2021. Now Quora is a question and answer website. So it's free to sign up. Just go over, you can sign up with your email or you can sign up with Google or Facebook, up to you. And then what we're going to do in the video, we're going to look at a product. We're going to choose a product from Clickbank, and we're going to look at how you can make money on Quora with Clickbank. Now, Quora does not allow you to have affiliate links on Quora, so we're going to look at, all right, how can we do this legitimately? Because Quora has a massive amount of traffic. Often you look on the front page of Google for a search term, and you'll find a Quora listing there with a question and answer. So what you're going to be able to do, you're going to be able to leverage Quora to get affiliate offers on the front page of Google. Now, you can choose a product, any product that you want. Firstly, you're going to find a category, and a category is all these down the side here. I've opened it up, but these are the categories, or what we call niches. Now, the three niches that you want to look at, which are what we call evergreen. In other words, they sell all around the year, all year round. Unlike something that's not evergreen, it might sell for Christmas, might sell for 1 month and then nothing for the next 11 months. So you can open these up and have a look. Health, fitness. So the top three categories are, I nearly forgot, health, wealth and relationships. So make money online comes into wealth. Health, people are concerned about their health, and relationships. So these are the main categories. These are all called niches. These are the sub-niches, and they go down even further. So I've chosen a product. So what we're going to look at promoting today, it's a product called the Super Affiliate System. So it's in the Make Money Online. Now this is by John Crestani. Now I like to find products that have got, a gravity, and this one has dropped down, so I'm still going to use it. But when you're looking for a product, find a product that's got a gravity of 30 upwards, say 30 upwards. Now there are other products there that this will, this requirement will meet, but I'm just going to use this product for the exercise. There's other products there for the sake of time. So the reason what gravity is, firstly, is it's the number of affiliates that have made a single sale, at least one sale in the last 30 days. So if you've got a gravity of 30, that means there's 30 people made one sale at least in the last 30 days. Now, there may be some of those affiliates have made, 20, 30, 40 of those sales in a day. In the 30 days, you don't want something that's got a gravity of 400 or 500. It shows demand, but it also shows that it's highly competitive. You're competing with a lot of other experienced affiliates. So if we're gonna choose a product like this where we could make $100 a day. To make $100 a day with this product, all you need to make is one sale a week. One sale a week. Now the second requirement is find a product that has a JV or an affiliate page. And that's where they'll give you the resources, all the different resources that you need to promote the product. And this is one of the better, here's a video there, I'll turn that off. This is one of the better affiliate resources pages, because he's talking there, but he gives you email promos, traffic method swipes, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and you can get updates. And then he goes through here. But one thing that I saw there, and this is just some of the affiliates, some of the super affiliates that promote this product. And the one thing that I do know this product has, under the free traffic method swipes, you'll see here it even has a section on Quora questions. Quora is a question and answer site where you can place your affiliate links by answering questions. So some of the Quora answer topics you could look for is make money, college affiliate marketing, jobs, Ty Lopez, Tony Robbins. and then he goes into some others, but we're focusing on Quora today. So let's just steam over here to Quora, right? We've registered for an account. So we're going to type in the search bar, make money online. Now you would have set up your account, a bit of a bio. So we're just not going to ask a question. We're just going to search for questions so that we can answer those questions. We don't want to answer just any question. There are some questions on here that, they're poorly asked, and it's not worth it because spelling mistakes that come from third world countries by the look of it, and if it's not a search term, it's not going to show up in Google. All right, so you can see here, this is all types of things. We want to filter by questions, obviously, and not by answers because we're answering the questions. Now, depending on how much traffic is in the niche that you've chosen, you might want to try, if there's a lot of topics, you might want to go by the past hour, and then you want to answer that question so that it's the first question perhaps for that answer. And so some of these questions could get hundreds or even thousands of views, and if you're the first one there, you're going to get the most of the view. So how do I make money online in PayPal? How do I make money without spending money? Let's just click on one of these. That's a common question that people ask. They've got no money, they want to make money. How do I become an affiliate without having to spend money? So this would be an ideal question to answer. There is no questions there yet. Now, some of the lesser searched categories or niches may not. You might want to go for in the last week or the last day of the last week. And what you want to do, I'll show you some of the questions I've answered. What you want to do, you don't want a short answer. Have a look at some of the other answers that are there. You want to keep it long, keep it really, really informative. You want to bold some of it. You want to put some images. And how I like to do it, because you can't use affiliate links on Quora, okay? You cannot use affiliate links on Quora. It'll get you banned. So what you can do is you can put a YouTube video. You could go and make a short YouTube video specifically speaking to the question, and you don't even need to appear on the YouTube video. You don't even need to appear on the YouTube video. So sometimes I put an image and a YouTube video. So here, where can I get free traffic through a website? It just happens that I made a YouTube video and I appear in it, but that doesn't matter. You don't have to. I recently made a video that answers that, and I just said, look, there are loads of free traffic. You need to focus on targeted traffic for your office. Once you learn how to get traffic, you can promote anything. I just uploaded a video on getting traffic. I hope you get value from it. And then I just embedded that video there. Video will get more views. Now we'll look at another one. So here's another one that I just answered this week. How can I make money on Clickbank, on a Clickbank site in a month? Some of the questions leave a little bit to be desired. So what you can actually do, you can put a link out to an affiliate site. Now, again, you cannot put a direct affiliate link, but I'm going to cover that in a moment, okay? So what you could do, you could link out to a YouTube video, and in that YouTube video, you would have your affiliate link in the description. So at the moment, I've got that. I have a landing page, and I'll show you how you can get a landing page for free. So it's possible to make money on Clickbank in a month. That is what makes affiliate marketing such an appealing way to start online. Where it is possible, it will take work and effort. You'll need to have focus on why you are doing affiliate marketing. Firstly, choose a product. When you're looking at products, the three best categories are health, wealth, and relationships. Just what I told you. Look at the gravity. Choose a product with a gravity 50 to 100. Any higher than that, you'll be competing with too many other affiliates. Here is a pictorial of how I do it. So down here is the traffic. Here is to the opt-in, which collects the email, which goes to a bridge page, which goes to a sales page, and you send them email. And then there are many free traffic methods. If you want a long-term business, you can use a landing page where you can collect emails. To make it easier, I have put together this Clickbank tutorial for you. So that's how you can get, you make $100 a day with Quora and using Clickbank affiliate products. Now, in a moment, we'll cover how do I get around not being able to put affiliate links in Quora. All right, so sometimes, I'll have, like in that last one, I'll have that's not as long as what I would write. Sometimes I'll have 3 times the amount of that. I've been answering the same question, and I 2 or 3 times in a different, asked in a different way, and I got a little bit lazy. So you still want to have text because, and I thought about it as well, you could go a little bit higher in the gravity because what you're competing against, your competition here is not direct competition because it's going to be based on the keyword, the question, the keyword, which is the question being asked, and the content. So use the keywords through here, and if you're not sure of an answer, a trick is go and type the question into Google, and there'll be many blogs that answer the same question. Take the content from 2 or 3 of those, read it, become familiar with it, and then go and rewrite it. Don't copy and paste because Quora has software that will detect anything that's been plagiarized, and they'll ban you for it. So don't do that, so don't do it. Now, you want to watch this till the end because I talked about some free landing page software. Wait till the end, and I'm going to show you how you can get some free landing page software, which you normally would pay $9,900+ per month. So you can have a landing page, a bridge page, and it's an all-in-one. It has an autoresponder built into it as well. So look, if you're new to the channel and you're enjoying the content so far, hit that subscribe button below and the bell icon, and that'll get you notified of any future videos. And it also helps me and helps the algorithm, helps the videos get found in YouTube. You can also use this strategy to build your YouTube channel. See, by having this here, when I click on this, it's going to take me to YouTube. See, I've had 22 views on that. I've only done it today. I think I did that answer today. 22 views so far. Some of these you can get thousands of views. Now, depends on how you click on it. So go to YouTube. I'll show you how it's actually set up in YouTube. See, it's a really win-win situation. I answer the question. After a little while, hopefully that question gets ranked in Google. And so I get people that come to Quora looking for an answer. And they come to the video. They come here. They see as you can see, there's the video. And I use screen capture. I'm doing videos, obviously, on affiliate marketing and make money online. So a lot of these I'm using screen capture software. What I use is software called Camtasia, But you don't. You could use a PowerPoint presentation and you could use free software. A free version of this, I think, is called Jing or Camtasia. Camtasia Studio is another one. So down here, because you can't have an affiliate link on Quora, what you can do, you drive them to this video, and then in your description, then you have your affiliate links here. As you can see, I've got a couple of links, and there's, if you have a look over here, I use a free tool as well for tags there's 2 tools, TubeBuddy and vidIQ, and that can show you what tags to use because that will help your video get found as well. And then, put some keywords in it because you want your YouTube video found as well. If you can, get it both ways. Get your YouTube video on the front page of Google, which I have. I've got several videos that all rank on the front page. I might have video 1, video 2, video 3, position 1, 2, 3 on Google. And you could also have a Quora listing there as well. The more listings that you end up on that first couple of pages, the more eyes that see it, the more people that click on it, the more people that come to it and click on it, the more people that are going to click on your affiliate links. So that's one way that you can link out to an affiliate link using Quora. That's how you can make $100 a day with Quora and Clickbank without having a website, without really having any tech skills and without any experience. You use free software like this. YouTube, it's really easy to use. And if you don't want to make videos, go over to a website like Fiverr and pay someone $10 to make you a really good video. I just use screen capture software because of the type of videos I do. But you might be in weight loss. You might be in, who knows? There's also other software that you can pay for, like Vidnami, where you just take text. What you could do in this case, all the emails that swipes that John had there, you could take some of that text, go to a website like Vidnami, which is software. You paste the text in. It's not free. There's a monthly fee for it. You paste the text in. It uses royalty-free images. It creates a video. It's got AI software where you can either speak over it yourself, or you can have it generate audio for you. Really, if you look on YouTube, there is lots and lots of channels on there that do specifically just this. They make reviews of products. They might make reviews of diet products, weight loss products, and they use this software called Vidnami, and you'll see it. It might say, and the text that it generates the audio with, it will then put across the screen. And it's got really good with the latest updates as the way you can choose the type of voices. You can choose American, you can choose UK, you can choose male, you can choose female. Okay, I hear you. Not everybody wants to use YouTube. You can use a blog. If you've got a blog already, you can use a blog, put your articles through there, and then link to that particular article, not to the, like if you've got a blog called Weight Loss Tips, you wouldn't link to weight loss tips. You'd link to how to lose 20 pounds in 14 days, that particular article. Now, here's another free site that you could use. It's called Google Sites. This is just a quick one I started doing when I was doing a tutorial the other night. It's if you can copy and paste, drag and drop, you can go here for free and build a site. And all I did here, I started doing this, and you put your article in, and the information you get, these are royalty-free images I got off the internet, and the content I got is from the actual affiliate product. And then you can put a button which will take you through to the affiliate link. And when you click on it, really easy. If you want to know how to set this one up, I've got a couple of other YouTube videos there that tell you how to do that. I've also, have a look at the channel, subscribe to the channel. There is lots of videos there that show you, tutorials show you how to do this. So you could use YouTube, you could use Google Sites, you could use your own blog. So that, my friend, is how with Quora you could make $100 a day with Quora and Clickbank without really any experience, without any technical skills, by making one sale a day. Now, I told you earlier that I would show you some free software. Firstly, if you haven't subscribed yet and you've got value from this, or if you've got any comments or questions, just put them in the comment section below. I answer all questions. But if you haven't subscribed, just go and hit that subscribe button to get notified. Hit the bell icon. That will get you notified every time I post a video. I post videos regularly on affiliate marketing tutorials on how to do things. Now, to get access to the free software, it's called Groove Pages. Now, on the top of the video, you will see a video featured. Click on that link to the video to watch in the top left of the screen. Click on that link to the video. It says Groove Pages Lifetime. So what you do, you click on that, you go and watch the video, and then in the description below, it'll give you access to the link so that you can get it for free. You get to build 3 full sites, 3 complete sites for free. All right, I hope you've got value from this Quora tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.